Good morning, guys. I am so glad to see you on my channel. My name is Anita and I'm an artist. We just came for breakfast in this cute cafe in the city center. It has some Parisian vibe. I ordered croque madame. It was really tasty. After breakfast, we went for a walk with my dog, and I accidentally saw two beautiful rings in a street store, so I decided to buy them. The green ring is a new one, but this rose is a vintage. As I later noticed, initials are engraved on it. It's time to start work. I'm squeezing paint. Always start with white color, titanium white. I'm putting on the palette those colors that I need for to draw a basket. I want to paint the base of the composition so the first layer starts to dry. It will take a few days, but complete dry of oil paint can take up to a year depending on layer thickness. I covered the background with a beautiful shade of blue, and now I'm starting to draw the outlines of the basket. In the afternoon, we went to feed the birds on the seashore. Birds watching, it's like a meditation. It's a sunrise and a new day. Coffee time, as usual. My dog is very excited looking at the food. We try to enjoy every moment. We have everything for it, most importantly, great company. The truth is that the pleasure of the same coffee but alone would be different. The food came. I'm shooting this magic moment of egg cutting. So yummy. Michelle is still waiting for her portion. Another beautiful sunrise by the sea. Flowers on the table, it's always a small holiday. We bought this minimalistic vase yesterday. Breakfast time. We found a very tasty strawberry, so it's our main dish. All this video is about slow living. I'm starting to sketch a marble table on the iPad in Procreate application. I much more like to paint on a canvas, there is a real life in it. But digital art is also quite interesting. Especially I like to go to the open air with iPad because all your paints are in the same tablet and no need to scare the waiter on the summer terrace with watercolors on the eating table. Our ritual is to enjoy the sunrise when the weather is good. I'm showing you the fast work in progress with the iPad screenshot. What do you think about this table? The picture quality is quite good. Clouds above the sea, it's always a weather theater. I came to a store that sells various things to create an interior. Here are some of my paintings too. There are paintings of different styles and moods in this gallery, and small sculptures. One of my works is Under the Tuscan Sun. The line is a doorknob that you can knock and enter the landscape of your dreams. Let's go to the next painting with these beautiful views. A still life with many lemons and Italian vibe. I don't know why, but my plate with pasta is under a copy of Leonardo's painting. Interesting company. One day I thought why people hang beautiful but empty plates on the walls, and I create a plate full of pasta italiana. We arrived in another store with home decor in the evening. Very beautiful olive tableware. Ta-da-dum! The time of Easter is coming and rabbits are marching in orderly rows towards the holiday. Those two pink ones are especially good. All symbols are here. I really like this dish, it reminds me of kintsugi. This one with palm trees, monkeys and cranes are also charming. My bag at the beginning of the vlog is also of this brand. Interesting candlesticks. Morning coffee before a walk in the park. Now I can start painting is a composition with many mirrors, Venus mirrors. They revolve around the planet Venus, but inside the mirrors will be different female moods. And from another angle, mixing paint. Every time mixing shades of ochre, I remember Rome, because when we walked around it with a friend, we came to the conclusion that Rome is all shades of ochre. I carefully paint all mirror monograms. It's a result after 1 hour. It's already evening. I decided to make a sketch with pastels on a purple paper. The sky color looks quite interesting on this background. And for girls, with this purple color, everyone looks like aliens. Here is a strange result of my all-night work.